Inhalation assist cranial fault. First, we're going to establish a good indicator muscle. We're going to use the pec major clavicular head as that muscle. Go ahead, internally rotate. We're going to test this muscle, stabilize on the left shoulder, and this muscle is strong. Put it down. So now we're going to do the rebound test. We're going to rebound test the mastoid process from P to A. So on the right mastoid process, we're going to rebound test P to A. We'll do this indicator muscle again. That's strong. We'll do the left mastoid process. Rebound test the left mastoid process, P to A. Test the indicator muscle. That went weak. So now we're going to push P to A on the left mastoid process while the patient inhales for 4 to 5 times. Inhale, exhale. We'll do this 4 or 5 times. Inhale, exhale. Then we'll rebound test the indicator muscle once again. And that muscle went strong. Now we'll repeat that again, but we'll do A to P on the mastoid process this time, on the left mastoid process. Well, this time we'll do A to P on the left mastoid process and then recheck the muscle. Okay, this muscle went weak, but we'll do the right mastoid process at the same, just to check it. We'll press A to P. We'll retest the muscle. But this muscle is strong. So the left mastoid process pushing A to P, the indicator muscle was weak. So we will, as the patient inhales, we will press the left mastoid process A to P, and we'll do this 4 to 5 times. We'll retest the muscle. That's strong. We'll press A to P on the left mastoid process, rebound test it, and this muscle should also stay strong. Now, to further go on with that, we're going to do the Sphenobasilar on inspiration. This time we're going to be on the mastoid process again, but also the ipsilateral palate. So at the same time as I'm pushing on the right mastoid process, I'm going to simulate putting my finger on the inside of the contralateral palate, which is the left palate. So I would be pushing P to A on the mastoid process and I to S on the contralateral palate. We would retest the muscle. That would go strong. And we'll do the opposite side, the left mastoid process, push it P to A, and we'll push I to S on the inside of the mouth of the contralateral palate, the right palate. We'll do the indicator, test the indicator muscle again, and that should go, that went weak. So we have a left mastoid process problem. So now we're going to push okay, upon forced inhalation, at the same time I'm going to be pushing P to A on the left mastoid process and I to S on the ipsilateral palate for 4 to 5 times. So when the patient inhales all the way, she's going to force a little bit more inhalation, and I'm going to be pressing on the left mastoid process, P to A, and the ipsilateral palate, I to S. We're going to do that for 4 to 5 times. After that, we'll check the muscle, and it should go strong. Okay. Next, we're going to rebound. We'll do the rebound test just to make sure that it held. So we're going to push P to A on the left mastoid and I to S at the same time simultaneously on the ipsilateral palate, the left palate. So P to A, left mastoid, I to S, left palate. We'll push at the same time. Test the indicator muscle again, and that is strong. Now for the exhalation part of the Sphenobasilar. This time we're going to be rebound testing the mastoid process A to P. So first we're going to check the right mastoid process, and we're going to push A to P on the right mastoid process, and at the same time we would pull the inside of the mouth on the maxilla at the same time. We would check the muscle, and that went strong. We would do the opposite side, push A to P on the left mastoid process while also pulling on the inside maxilla. We would retest the muscle. This muscle went weak. So at this time, since the indicator muscle went weak on the left side, we're going to, as the patient exhales, I'm going to be pushing A to P on the left mastoid process, and I'm going to be pulling at the same time on the inside of the maxilla as the patient exhales to full expiration. We're going to do that 4 to 5 times. We're going to recheck the muscle, and it should go strong. Muscle is strong. Now we'll do the rebound test again. We'll rebound the left A to P rebound the left mastoid process A to P while also pulling up on the inside of the maxilla. So a rebound test, retest the indicator muscle should also go strong and strong.